Hello Capricorn, this is your channel messages for the 16th of March. Capricorn, let's see what is in your messages. First card out is kisses. Okay, unconditionally loving, receiving and giving affection, falling in love. You might be falling in love, Capricorn. We have lightning, sudden change, a shocking news, surprise, epiphany, upheaval, and transformation. So somebody might surprise you. You might visit them house or they visit your house. Somebody might come. I mean, someone's going to surprise you. We have the chaser in a codependent relationship, fear of abandonment issues. And hammer, sabotage, rebuilding, interrogation, repetitive, persistent, and working on it. A fear of abandonment. I noticed that's what ruins a lot of relationships. You will end a relationship before you feel like somebody will break up with you because you fear of to be abandoned. I used to deal with that. I used to deal with fear. I used to deal with abandonment issues. But after being so long in Canada alone, I have developed immune to feeling abandoned. Immunity. Abandonment issues will make your relationships fall apart, man. Sometimes you don't know how much you don't trust people until you get in a relationship. Then you say, Jesus Christ, I just don't trust this, I don't trust this. You might be having trust issues or abandonment issues. Let's go. Capricorn. We have a death card coming out first. Okay, something is about to change. Yes, sudden change. I'm not sure if this is a sudden death of somebody. I'm also getting someone has cancer, Capricorn. We have the 9 of Wands. Yeah, I'm getting someone sick. The 7 of Swords. Are they hiding it from? I'm getting somebody sick. They're hiding it from you. I'm getting the death card with the 9 of Wands. It could be something like herpes, HIV, and AIDS. We have the 7 of Swords, 7 of Wands. I'm getting you give at least 3 people this already. Maybe you had unprotected sex with a Scorpio. I'm getting you have something. Also, I'm getting you very, very scared to catch a STD. So I'm getting these girls want to have sex with you like without a condom and you're telling them no. I'm getting something about someone's medical records. We have the Empress. Is it the Empress's medical records? No, this could also be, there's something about the Empress being sick. We have a death card here. I'm not sure if she's sick. Or they might say she have schizophrenia if she keep changing. Is the Empress keep a change? She keep a change. You might say she have schizophrenia, or somebody might have Pluto in Scorpio. Every day them are gonna look different. Every day them are gonna change. We have a 10 of Pentacles and we also have a 6 of Wands. Also, I'm getting you find out who stole the money. I'm getting a lot of money being stolen from a Empress on the claim that the Empress was dead. I'm not sure if this was the plan. You were supposed to set up the Empress supposed to die, and then all alone run off with this money. I'm getting is 3 women, some women. I'm hearing something about Akashic records. Because I'm getting on the claim that the Empress was dead, then you guys took her money. And 3 women or some people split it up. Somebody might have relocated the Empress into somewhere very secluded. I'm getting money. But I'm also getting a find out who thief the money. I'm getting something, Capricorn, something a puzzle you. About this Empress. Something a puzzle you about her. I'm getting Capricorn. Whatever puzzle you about her, it's coming from women, 3 different women. Those are the women you're not supposed to, don't trust them. They might tell you all kind of lies. Stop fucking listening to them, Capricorn. And if your relationship mash up, you mash it up because of these women. Because me getting them trying to make something end for this girl. Me feel like not only I feel like sometimes the devil protect her, and when the devil is not there, the devil will send death for protect her. Because we're getting these women really want to set somebody the fuck up, Capricorn. Something about money. A lot of money. We're getting 3 women. We have political agenda. We have Cancer. Cancer could be one of the women who stole. We have Curse. Yeah, it's a Cancer did it. We have Illuminati. It's like, me getting something a puzzle you. Yeah, so how the Empress, and you're asking questions like how the Empress is like that. Why the Empress don't have money? I'm tired to say this on my channel already. The Empress is either in a debt, D-E-B-T, or me getting the Empress. There's no movement coming from the Empress because all of this money what the Empress was supposed to have, 3 women stole the money from her. Maybe you ask a woman, hey, can you get the Empress's email address? I want to send the Empress some money. The women then give the man one different email address. The woman then give the man a different bank account information and routing number. Me getting a puzzle. You wonder why the Empress don't have something. Me getting the women keep a tell us she have something. The women keep a tell us she going somewhere. The women keep a tell us she in a relationship. Capricorn, stop listening to these stretch out pussy cum dumpster women. Please. You're dealing with an Empress. You know what that means? As a man, you need to know when you're dealing with Empress. When you're dealing with Empresses, you're going to have men and women who will tell you a bare lie because they don't want you to be with her. You see, when you deal with a girl and everybody leave you alone with a girl, some people might look on your girl, some don't look on your girl. But nobody has an issue with you with this girl because you guys are no threats. The bitch is an airhead or she's a sex doll. And even if you did have power, guess what? You don't have enough power to choose the right fucking girl to fuck. It's okay. You see, when you're a powerful man and you choose the right fucking girl for fucking, when you're fucking this, nobody cares. You can't enter the club, you can't buy them a drink, you can't fuck them, blah, blah, blah. Nobody now gonna tell you, Emperor, nobody's going to say, Capricorn, you're not supposed to be with these girls, they're groupies. You see, when you're there with she, them are gonna tell you, say you cannot be with her. The whole, that's how you know, say you and somebody supposed to be together. You see, when if you was dating other women and nobody said anything to you, but as soon as you date the Empress, every single body, them a tell you say she a fuck, them a tell you say she gone over people's house, them a tell you all them chatter bag and things at those and that's how you know say you and this person supposed to be together. Why so much people don't want to say you and this person together? But when you were with these women, nobody said anything to you. Yeah, because somebody knows something about this woman that you don't know. Somebody could be a psychic medium. That's how you know. Let me tell you something. You see, if you chase your dreams and nobody now say, you stupid bitch, that's boring. You stupid bitch, listen, that will never work. Look at this idiot wasting her time. You see, if you chase your dreams and nobody ever told you that, sweetie, you need to chase it faster. That's how me know I'm doing something right, when I get enough criticism. It's when people are criticize me left, right, center, them tell me say I can't do it, them tell me to shut it down, them tell me say boring, it not go nowhere. That's how I know it'll work. If I'm there with a man and nobody now block me, I say nothing, something wrong. You see, I'm there with a man and I date a guy and everybody I try to mash it up, I know I'm dating the right person. Everybody I mash pick send you know, so they was fucking and if I lie, if them sending me the truth, that's different. If them a send me beer lies, say him there this and that, him a fuck. But that's how I know I say, yeah man, I'm the right one. Cause believe me, people don't really give a fuck. And if them give a fuck because you're in a relationship with somebody, them know something you don't know. Some people will be too pressured and bullied out of it. Me getting the Empress. You not get the criticism. Nobody not cuss you. Your name not trend on social media saying that you're a wannabe celebrity. Girl, you see if you follow your dreams and every single body around you is not saying nothing wrong, something wrong. Pushback is how you know you're doing something right. Losing and failing is knowing how to come back even better and stronger. Winning never teach you nothing. It's great to be a winner, great to be a winner. But let me tell you something, losing, not having, going without, poverty teach me lessons that no rich man, no wealthy environment, no wealthy friends could I ever teach me. It sounds bad, but I'll tell you something, I'm glad I was born in poverty. I've attained a certain enlightenment I see people who have money will never attain. And I'd rather be enlightened than rich. I know Masons usually live a very humble life, but they don't live a poor life. They live a humble life, not a poor one. But I'll tell you that a starving stomach, no friends, no money has taught me lessons than being around wealthy people has ever taught me. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time, Capricorn. Bye.